Today, I'm proud to share what the team has been quietly building on behind the scenes. This new release is about generating complex toolpaths faster, from part geometry to production-ready robot motion in minutes. Surface operations like spraying, coating, or sanding require dense, evenly spaced waypoints that conform to the part geometry, including compound curves and freeform surfaces. That's difficult to do manually. Teaching those points one at a time is slow and error-prone. With Augmentus, you select the surfaces you want to work on directly, on step files or scan meshes. And AutoSurface generates the full toolpath with uniform step distance and consistent tool orientation. Hours of manual programming reduced to minutes. Deburring, grinding, or sanding is a different problem. The robot needs to trace the exact contour of an edge, not cover an area. On a teach-pendant, that means teaching point by point along every edge on the part. AutoEdge lets you select edges directly on the model, curved, straight, or looped, and generates the waypoints with computed orientation and approach vectors. The path comes from the geometry, not from manual teaching. In production, part placement varies load to load. Without correction, the program path drifts from the actual part position. AutoAlign scans the incoming part and references it against a reference CAD or scan. It computes the offset in 6 degrees of freedom and corrects toolpaths precisely and accurately. The operator loads the part and runs. No reteaching, no manual correction. All of these work together in a single workflow. From 3D scanning and reconstruction, through surface and edge selection, to toolpath generation, trajectory optimization, simulation, and adaptive robot execution. We believe Augmentus is the easiest way to program complex robot motion. Let's talk about how you can automate better today.